After nearly 6 long years, the Honda BR-V has entered its second generation. The latest model, based on the N7X concept from May, is promising some comprehensive improvements in terms of design, creature comforts, and especially safety. The new car looks quite a bit larger than before, although Honda has yet to provide any specifics. The styling, lifted almost completely wholesale from the N7X, is a welcome improvement over the outgoing BR-V, while the large cabin volume, upright sides, and recognizable C-shaped D-pillars have been retained. The window line dispenses with a controversial downwards sloping kink, making for a move conventional look. Up front, you'll find a large slatted grille, topped by the signature solid wing face chrome bar. The latter leads into the slim headlights, which are available with reflector LED technology and inverted L-shaped daytime running lights. Down below, you'll find a downturned center air intake, a silver skid plate, and conventional fog lights, nestled in an L-shaped frame, replacing the N7X's LED accent strip. Along the side, the simplification of the window line is matched with a single straight shoulder line, running from the headlights to the trapezoidal taillights. Those lamps ditch the previous full-width design and appear to also utilize LEDs. The vertical reflectors have also been switched to horizontal ones that sit within the black plastic body cladding, finished in matte black here, instead of gloss black on the N7X. A similarly far-reaching redesign can be found on the inside. The designers appear to have taken some inspiration from the latest ZR-V, particularly the high-mounted center air vent pod and the stitched passenger side panel. There's also a large floating gloss black display panel lower down, although the double-DIN touchscreen head unit looks a little lost within it. Still, it features a 7-inch display and appears to be available with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Other new features include remote engine start, walk-away auto lock, a passenger side illuminated vanity mirror, front and second row armrests, and first, second, and third row power sockets. Power comes from an updated 1.5-litre iVTEC 4-cylinder engine, now fitted with double overhead cams and producing 121 PS at 6,600 revolutions per minute and 145 Newton-meters of torque at 4,300 revolutions per minute. Those are exactly the same outputs as on the latest City, all sent to the front wheels through a new CVT. According to AutoNet Mags, the new Honda BR-V will go on sale in Indonesia starting January 2022. Pricing will reportedly start from 260 million rupiah, or $18,266. Thanks for watching. And give your comments below.